sa buhol. Ano ba po? Wait I will read this message. Sino siya? Hi 86 viewers. Hello. And shout out to everyone to from Bohol. Hi for the Mashar. Good evening, Philippines. Yes. Good evening, Philippines. It's so live. What's that? And stuff. We love your mom. Kasi natamad ako. Kasi my channel, hindi na siya kumikita. Sad to say. Kaya di na ako nagla-live. Minsan na lang. Kasi inayos ko pa yung channel ko para bumalik agad sa monetize. Na-demonetize ako. Gawa nung maraming nag-report sa channel ko. So, it's sad to say that my channel is not able to earn for now. Lahat ng membership, super thanks, wala. Pero may babalik pa man daw yan. Maghihintay pa ako ng 90 days bago siya. Yung ilaw ko is usually steady. Hi Stefano sa Agumbayo. That's what happened to my channel. That's why I'm not always going live. Just like before, I'm always going to live every night. So now it's not because I go live every other night or sometimes in a week 2 times. How many years? 6 years old. This July, but now she's still 5. I know that YouTube is my life. YouTube is my passion. That's why I want to be back on monetize. I will be going to reapply on June 24. Guys, please pray for my channel that will be monetized again. Guys, also please support, watch my video, and from start to end. So, ang edad na ko is 41. I'm 41. Single mom. 41. Mostly sa mga nanliligaw, most of my suitors are younger than me. I know they're still 35. And how many people in your family? Your family? We have here in the house, we are only 3, my mother, me, and my son. I have my brothers in the other house. He has in the other house, and in our house we are 3 older sisters. Hello. I have 3 brothers and only one me, girl. We have 4 in our family. I have my 3 brothers and only me, the daughter. Hi baby, how are you? Fine. My name is Rama Kumar. I love you and I love you baby. Para mo daghan imong views, mom, ni ko channel. Kaya nga na ako doon na remove yung dinilit ko na yung video challenge ko. Kasi yun siguro ang ako. Pag ka na kasi, if you're in a monetized channel, so very strict. Mas strict. Una, I have strict for a week. No post. And the next time, demonetize because of my content. The YouTube review my channel and they find out that my content has a sexual to define content because of some of my sexy videos. Most of my videos earned is from live streaming.